What? Dolphins like the boat. Good sign.
Oh, there's 3 of them. Bye.
Oh, there were 3.
Thanks for stopping by.
I'm Carly, and this is Brady. In early 2020, we sold our house and most of our possessions and took our first big leap into living our vagabond dreams. We recently hiked 800 miles of the Appalachian Trail, and now we are purchasing a sailboat to start sailing around the world, all while capturing a creative journal of the journey. We hope to inspire you to live your own dreams. Subscribe, and thanks for watching. Alright guys, we are in Florida. We've made it back from visiting our family and friends for the last several weeks. We officially own a boat. That's real. Very exciting. And we are about 30 minutes, maybe, about 20 minutes now away from the boat, which is super exciting. Of course, we have hit some Florida traffic madness, but we're about 20 minutes away from the boat, which is getting really exciting. Yeah, that's really it. We're headed to our new home. We're going to be seeing it for the first time as ours and our home and all of that. So yeah, we're getting excited. Car's loaded down, you know, with lots of stuff, lots of our stuff. Not all from Oklahoma, we had most of it from before, but from Christmas gifts, the stuff we brought with us to be able to move the boat. So like our pots and pans we got out of storage, that sort of thing. And then little bits of extras, sheets gifted to us from our family, and like their old sheets and things like that. So not a whole lot of new stuff, mostly. It's, yeah, I'm rambling, probably gonna cut all that out. We have keys to the marina.
Let's go check out our boat.
Yep, let's do it. That's good. There she is.
It's our new home.
First quick glance at the mess.
You gotta talk louder.
First quick glance at the mess.
We had our boat broker set off a bug bomb in here yesterday so that clear out any bugs that might be in here before we arrived. So that's why it's all a mess. Don't know what those are for.
What'd you find?
Foam pads.
What do they go to?
No idea. But they're custom made foam pads that somebody just cut with scissors.
Oh yeah.
Probably trying to make knee pads. I don't know. All right, let's go get the other camera because that phone's about to die.
we got a vacuum. It is a little handheld lithium battery cordless vacuum with multiple different attachments for up here. Super exciting. It's a Black & Decker. You know, we're gonna put it through its paces for sure, starting with what is going to be our cabin, because if you come on in here, it's dirty. See all that? Just all over back there. Yeah. So we're just gonna make that disappear and test out the new vacuum, which finally finished charging. So. First thoughts, I need the smaller, long, skinny, smaller attachment. So we'll do that first.
Wash me in the water, cleanse me in the mercy of your love. I need a heavenly touch, 'cause I'll be backsliding. I need a little guiding for my soul. Only heaven knows, 'cause I just need a helping hand. It's gonna help me stand. It's gonna help me stand. 'Cause I just need a helping hand. It's gonna help me stand. It's gonna help me stand. Every now and then I get a feeling in my bones that I'm just wandering on my own. So I hit my knees and I'm crying out, please, oh Lord, won't you bring me back home? Yeah. Wash me in the water, cleanse me in the mercy of your love. I need a heavenly touch, 'cause I'll be backsliding. I need a little guidance for my soul. Only heaven knows,
Oh, it's right.
'cause I just need
More glass.
a helping hand. It's gonna help me stand.
All right, let's get this mess cleaned up here. Using our new Black & Decker handheld vacuum. It's gonna be loud, sorry.
Yeah.
Works pretty good. Done.
Well, guys, this is
Let me
a
get my drink.
this is a wrap on day one, which was not a full day, just a partial day traveling in, but it's a wrap on day one. We are about to have dinner on the boat, but we want to cheers to moving onto the boat, and cheers to you guys for being a part of the journey. So grab anything you want to drink and cheers.
Cheers.
Yum.
Yum is right.
That's good. That's good.
Well, it's like 11 o'clock.
Yeah, it's 11:30.
It's 11:30, so we're gonna eat dinner now, and then go to sleep. So, have a good night.
Good night.
We'll
What
see
you
you.
can't see is the pile of
The mess.
the mess.
We moved
everywhere.
the mess over there,
Yeah.
so that we could cheers you guys. Yeah.
Yeah. Good night. Hopefully these work.
Why wouldn't they work?
Well, it's not been tested. I just assumed and hoped. Does it fit? We have success?
We have success.
Oh, just a wad there, but we can tuck that in the middle. Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Great success. How do we do this? What are we gonna do for?
Oh, we'll just put a pillowcase on it, probably.
Okay.
That was what I thought of earlier.
Okay.
Okay.
What should we?
Número dos.
Which side is the inside?
Um,
That's the inside.
Yep. That's the outside, yep. Oh, and there was more light. Oops. I keep finding that I'm filming your midsection. Oh, I'm so sleepy. So sleepy. Very good. I'll go get the top sheets now.
Okay.
Shall I?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll need a pillowcase for.
Both. Yes. I have 2 of each.
And then we'll need
And then
one
we'll
for
need a
this.
pillowcase for that. Yes.